We've arrived into Hobart. It's only a short 20-minute drive from the airport into Hobart, and you're greeted by the fabulous looking Hobart Bridge over the Derwent River. We headed down to the Salamanca Square to supposedly check out the Salamanca markets, which had been cancelled due to the wind. Very windy day here in Hobart. So we continued to wander around the Parliament House, the square where the markets would normally be on, through to Battery Park. The wind through those trees, when it blew, was like a freight train. But we found some sun when we could and stayed out of the wind. The waterfront is also a fabulous place to get your first glimpse of Mount Wellington with the snow